Welcome back, folks. It is time for another jet ski. This time it is a 2003 Polaris MSX 140. This is the two-stroke three-cylinder. The 110 and the 150 was four strokes, and so this one will be the two-stroke model. And so I've never owned one of these. This will be the first time. A few things I'll have to do when I get it home to try to get it running. I think the fuel pressure regulator has fell off in the gas tank, and so we'll diagnose that, but I want to make sure the engine's healthy first. And so I'll leave it out early in the morning. We'll see you then. I'm headed out. It is 4:30 in the morning. My goal, I could leave by 5 and get there. My goal is to go by Martin's Biscuits and get me a country ham, maybe. Hopefully Atlanta traffic's okay. Why do people feel the need to set their camera up, film themselves driving off or walking off, knowing they have to come back and get the camera? I don't know, but they do. There it is. If you've never had a Martin's Biscuit, you are missing out.
How are you today?
I'm wonderful. It's been a year since I've had a Martin's Biscuit, and I'm excited about this.
Oh my, you in for a treat then.
Yeah, buddy. Oh, I want y'all to look at that. Atlanta skyline. Let's take the plugs out, check compression. There we go. Get to it now. Normally, when I get them, they do not have the right plugs.
All right, so that's a good sign, I guess.
Very good sign. Somebody knew what they was doing putting plugs in it, whenever the last time they were put in.
Like I said, well, not last, 2 summers ago. Why is a Polaris so finicky?
The computer, this, the EMM back here, yeah, right in there. That computer is sensitive. So these are resistor type spark plugs. Perfect. So that's the sides of it. Okay. Do you see those little scratches right there?
I do.
That's crosshatch. That's what you want to see.
Oh, good.
That is perfect. I don't know if you can see that.
I see it.
That is absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful. Everything looks good. Okay. Yep. Compression. And I expect compression to be good. No reason it shouldn't. Perfect. That's good enough. That's close enough. This is a healthy engine, so it ain't gonna take much to get it going. Engine wise.
Right. So do I need to have my wife print up a bill of sale?
Definitely.
Okay.
It's going with me.
Okay.
After hand loading it on a trailer, she's back there. After installing a OEM Polaris fuel pressure regulator, I did it in line instead of in the fuel tank because it's so hard to get to. It's time for first drink. All right, it's time to rip on this thing. It is running good, it seems. it up Saturday for $500. Got it home, fixed the fuel pressure regulator. I took it out of the water, took some pictures, put it on Marketplace for $2,800, and it sold within 10 minutes of being on there. The buyer test drove it and took it home with them. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.